UK Commercial Group are committed to using new and improving technology to improve the service for our customers. This video will demonstrate how using the Rotary brush system we can clean some inaccessible ductwork. The system is made of three primary items: the rotary brush with its reel, you can see that this is pneumatically driven. Then we have an air compressor to power the brush. This is electric. The third item is a foaming box. This allows us to pump chemical directly into the brush head for a better clean. Then we also have different sized brushes for different parts of the job. Once the system is set up, you push the brush into place in the ductwork. You can then turn it on and start brushing. Ideally starting at the furthest point away and working back towards the entry point. Here you can see the brush spinning and spraying chemical onto the greasy area. The rotary brush can be used for up to 30 meters of duct without losing cleaning power. The brush has removed the grease. It can then spray fresh water to clean the system of all the chemical. This runs to the lowest point of the system and then is disposed of. Once the clean is complete, it has less than 50 microns of grease in it, which allows it to satisfy the criteria of PR19 grease clean. If you'd like to know more information or to have a job completed, or you would like to purchase one of the systems, please get in touch by emailing info@ukcommercialgroup.co.uk or call 0800 032 9533. Thanks a lot.